National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Houston County in southeastern Alabama, eastern Henry County in southeastern Alabama, Clay County in southwestern Georgia, Randolph County in southwestern Georgia, southwestern Mitchell County in southwestern Georgia, Calhoun County in southwestern Georgia, Early County in southwestern Georgia, northern Seminole County in southwestern Georgia, southeastern Clinton County in southwestern Georgia, northeastern Decatur County in southwestern
That's why they were
Georgia,
the warning.
Millard County in southwestern Georgia, west central Dougherty County in southwestern Georgia, western Baker County in southwestern Georgia, western Terrell County in
All these
southwestern
counties are
Georgia,
Channel 2 and 7
Eastern
counties.
Standard Time, or 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 3:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Fort Gaines to 7 miles east of Cottonwood, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour.
Holy crap!
Hazard, 60 miles
75
per hour,
miles
and
per hour.
quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colquitt, Fort Gaines, Morgan, Blakely, Dawson, Cuthbert, Donaldson, Edison, Arlington, Shelton, Columbia, Leary, Douglasville, Centerville, Gordon, Iron City, Damascus, Paris, Jackson, and Belleville.
Oh no, it's gonna be doubleheader.
Remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern.
Doubleheader, doubleheader, doubleheader.
6 p.m.
Doubleheader, doubleheader. Doubleheader, doubleheader.
Eastern
Doubleheader.
Alabama, the Panhandle of Florida, and southwestern
Doubleheader for
Georgia.
Gadsden County.
A tornado watch also remains.
Let's unplug this. Doubleheader for Gadsden County. Doubleheader, doubleheader. My first doubleheader in a long time.
For your protection, move to an interior
It's gonna be doubleheader.
on the lowest
Oh
floor
no.
of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county.
Hello? Oh, doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
Is
for
it doubleheader?
southeastern Houston County in southeastern Alabama, eastern Jackson County in Florida, central Calhoun County in Florida, northwestern Wakulla County in Big Bend of Florida, Gadsden County in Big Bend of Florida, northern Liberty County in Big Bend of Florida, southwestern Leon County in Big
Hey,
Bend of
Leon.
Florida, Decatur County
Finally
in
had a Leon
southwestern
alert.
Georgia, Seminole County in southwestern Georgia, until 5 p.m.
I'm wondering where the Cobra went. It died, so I'm charging it.
Central Standard Time. At 4:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 3:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southeast of Cottonwood to 8 miles southwest of Bloodstown.
This is actually a doubleheader this time instead of a blank text.
Hazard,
I'm
60
gonna
miles
doubleheader.
per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail
Shut
damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Quincy, Blountstown, Bainbridge, Midway, Chattahoochee, Greensboro, West Bainbridge, Malone, Leeds, Gretna, Bristol, Grand Ridge.
Yeah, I'm not putting this on voice. I'm not risking it. I'm not risking getting in trouble.
Bascom, Rockland, and Clarksville. A tornado
I only
watch
have this
remains
for
in
actual
effect until
emergencies
7
like flash
p.m.
flood warning,
Eastern
tornado
Standard
warning.
Time, or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern
Shut.
Alabama,
Shut.
Big Bend of the Panhandle of Florida, and southwestern Georgia.
You
For your
should.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 5 p.m. Eastern.
No!
For the following counties in Florida, Calhoun, Gadsden, Jackson, Leon,
It
Liberty,
rebooted!
and the following counties in Georgia, Decatur, and Seminole.